All right, welcome to the shop, guys. This is for you axe junkies out there. If you guys follow Whiskey River at all, you'll know they just released their 28 NEC. So it's a NOS Tatum brand. I guess Brandon got his hands on some new old stock, and they recreated it. So if it's anything like anything else they've done, it's going to be awesome. So I got this in white oak, and they offered in hickory and in white oak. I guess the original handle was offered in hornbeam also. So I got this, the B grade. So I'm hoping to see a little bit of figure in there. You know, I'd love to see some character in it. I'm sure no matter what, it's going to be awesome. So the next step is to find a head that belongs on this handle. So a main wedge pattern, I guess, is what would go on it. 28 inches, a little short for me. I'm 6'1", but I've got a couple young boys that in a couple years they'll be able to swing it and not bash it up, right? All right, we're gonna do the unboxing. We'll get to it. All right. So if any of you guys know anything about this this Tatum brand, or if you got anything to say about the New England wedges and all that kind of stuff, I'm all ears. I'm always looking for some information. I'm always looking for some knowledge. So pretty excited about this. I guess they did some white oak in a couple other handles that they stock regularly. So that's pretty cool to see. You know, I like white oak. We don't have any hickory around here, or yeah, we don't have hickory where I'm at here in the Sierra Nevadas. All right, you got to be a rocket scientist to open this up. There we go. So yeah, I do my handles, the handles that I make them with white oak, and it holds up pretty fine. All right. So one of the things that I don't like about this, and I understand, little sticker. I understand why they did it, but give me 1 second. So they matched it to the handle that they had, but I would like to have something flat here to bang on. Go seat in that head and chip that off. That would be terrible. Well, there she is. It's got some curve to it. Yeah, so there's your B grade. I don't know what makes this B grade, but yeah, that's an interesting. Your grip's right here, but you still have all this knob sticking out, which I guess that's good if you made a mistake and cracked it when you're setting it. A little bit of run out, a little bit of grain run out in there, but man, this thing is thin. Man, I wish this was like 32 inches. Man, I'm tempted to put some oil on this thing right now, but I think I'm gonna refrain from putting any oil on it until I hang it. So we'll have to wait to see what that looks like. Yeah, I like the rays. I like the rays there. You can see them on the backside. those rays coming through. I do like that about white oak. It's not incredibly thick on the shoulder. It stays thin. So I don't know. Let me grab the caliper. Yeah, you can, if you look at where the grain runs out here, you can see that's where one of the annual rings starts, and then that's gonna follow back I don't know, somewhere in there. Yeah, I see why they call it a B grade with that run out. And get some oil on it and be able to tell a little bit better. But I mean, dang, you could fit a jersey pattern on that if you were so inclined to do so. There's a lot of eye right there. So I'd be curious to see if they scale this up to a 30, 31, 32, somewhere in there. Make a good handle for a full grown man. Oh, look at that sweep right there. Yeah, it doesn't weigh anything. That thing's light. I'll put it on a scale. Yeah, it's all of 376 grams. Nothing to it. Yeah, maybe on second thought I won't be having my boys swing that around. I don't know what to do with it. Yeah, nice big old fat poplar wedge. I do like poplar. There you go. Well, that's it, guys. That's the 28 NEC. So if you're curious what it looks like and get a close up on it, that's it. Hope you guys have a good day.